Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program to display a list in reverse order. So given a list as the input to the Python program, so you have to take the given list and display a list in reverse order. So this is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a list length variable, that is length, and ask a user to enter the list length using the input function call. And here let's say enter, that is enter list length. Yeah, so once the user enters the list length, so let's convert it into an integer type from the string type to an integer type. Yeah, so once we get the length variable, so let's take an empty list and try to ask a user to enter the list items. So let's take my underscore list, so this is my variable, and let's initialize it to an empty list. So once we get an empty list, so we need to fill this. So let's try to iterate up to the length value and ask a user to enter the list item, so that is of type integer. So for underscore, because I don't need the index value, so I'm only interested in iteration, so I'll be using int underscore over here. So for underscore in, let's take a range function and iterate up to the list length. Yeah, while we keep iterating, so let's take a temp variable and use the input function call again to ask a user to enter the list item. Yeah, so once the user enters the list item, so it is of type string, so let's convert it into an integer type. So I'll be using an integer type over here for the demo purposes. So if you need a list of type float or a string, so you can just modify over here from integer to floating or a string type. So once we get an integer type item, that is a temp, so let's try to append it to the my list. So let me use the built-in function to append it, that is my underscore list dot append, and pass the input value, that is temp variable. Yeah, so this is a method to accept the list length and ask a user to enter the list items and store it in this variable. So once we get a list into our runtime, so we need to display the list in reverse order. So what we do is, let's take a print function and here let's say list in reverse order is, let's give dot dot dot. Yeah, so once we print a user friendly message, so let's try to iterate all the items present in the list in reverse order. So in order to get the reverse, that is the list in reverse order, so we'll be using a string slicing, that is for item. So we'll be iterating each and every item present in the my underscore list. So we'll be using a string slicing method, that is colon colon minus 1, in order to reverse a list. So this is used for reversing a list. So once we keep getting the item, so let's try to print the item onto the output. So let's try to print and end equals to. So let's give some space and try to print the each and every item present in the list in reverse order. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that accepts a list of integers and displays it in reverse order. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So here enter the list length. So I have three items. So let's say 1, 2 and 3. So you can see list in reverse order is 3 to 1. So I had given 1 to 3 and it has printed 3 to 1. Closing it. And let me re-execute it. So enter the list length. So I have 5. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 6, minus 1 and let's say 50. So you can see the list in reverse order is first it has printed 50, then minus 1, 6, 3, 2. That means it has printed in the reverse, that is 50 is the last item it has printed first. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept a list from the user and display it in reverse order. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.